Rising dramatically in the heart of Ghent, the castle of the Counts, known as Gravensteen, stands as one of Europe's most striking urban fortresses, built to project feudal authority over one of medieval Flanders' richest cities. The castle was rebuilt in stone in 1180 by Count Philip of Alsace during a period of rising urban power and social tension. Ghent's growing merchant class posed a challenge to noble rule, and Gravensteen was designed as a clear statement of dominance. Gravensteen was constructed with thick stone walls, a massive central keep, and a surrounding moat. Its Romanesque design emphasized intimidation and control, blending military defense with symbolic power over the city below. Beyond warfare, the castle served as a center of governance. It housed the Count's court, administrative offices, and later functioned as a prison and judicial complex, reinforcing the Count's authority through law as much as force. By the early modern period, the castle lost its residential role and fell into decline. It was used for industrial purposes, including textile workshops, reflecting Ghent's transformation into a commercial and industrial hub. In the 19th and 20th centuries, Gravensteen was restored as a national monument. Today, it is a museum, offering views over Ghent's historic centre, standing as a powerful reminder of medieval rule, resistance, and urban identity.